Alright, so right now we're headed to Zanin, where we're going to start our volunteer work at the Vervet Monkey Foundation.
We're going to be there for a month working with orphaned vervet monkeys that are rescued from the wild, just caring for them, feeding for them. It's baby season right now, so hopefully there'll be a lot of babies. We'll try to film as much as possible and show you guys what we're doing while we're there for the month. It's going to be fun.
This is our cabin, and this is the volunteer village. There's the showers, the bathrooms are farther out, and then here's the rest of the cabins.
We're here in our cabin now, where we will be for a month.
Yeah.
It is hot.
So hot, and then we start orientation tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good morning, monkey.
Nope, 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 nope. Yes, get close. Thank you. Sorry, buddy. They're everywhere.
You can hear it though.
You can hear them on our roof.
They're on our roof.
Well, that was a noise. These are the bandits. This is the resident wild troop here at VMF.
So they are free to roam and go wherever they please. However, they choose to stick around here because of the abundant food supply.
They cause quite the ruckus and keep everyone on their toes, but we love them and they add a great presence to the foundation.
Bro. Gotta love being watched while going to the bathroom.
There's a baby snake in the bathroom. There's also 2 cockroaches having intercourse.
So I'm super sweaty and I'm gonna go take a shower. So these are our showers. Got me a friend. So this is the cottage where we all hang out. We have the dining room where we all eat together. We have the games room where we chill out and relax. And then we have the kitchen where all our meals are prepared. So it's a pretty nice place to just meet new people and hang out together.
Okay.
It's raining now.
Which means green things are gonna come, and babies.
Exciting. Goliath is so green now. So we've been here for about a week now.
So we're about to show you what we do on a normal day here at VMF.
And today we're doing what we call top section.
So we're going to start filling up water bottles and giving out forage. Oh, wow. It just rains, so all the water falls on you.
So our job is to walk around 4 different troop enclosures.
Make sure they have fresh, clean water and make sure all the monkeys are safe and happy.
So here at VMF, they have about 15 different monkey troops all spread out across their property.
Each monkey troop is... Oh no, the baby.
Oh, that is so cute.
That was a worthy break. Okay.
So here at VMF, they have about 15 different monkey troops all spread out across the property.
Each monkey troop is enclosed with an electric fence like the one you see behind us. This makes sure that the monkeys don't escape while still maintaining their most natural state, but with no roof on the top so that they're allowed to climb up in the trees and explore their environment. Why are they carrying this weird blue bag?
So some of you might be wondering why we have this blue bag with us, and that's so we can give forage and like leaves and grass and stuff to the monkeys in these intro cages.
And the intro cages are the system that is used here to integrate new monkeys or monkeys that have been in sick bay previously or whatnot back into a troop or into a new troop so that they can contact with the troop, but they're not able to like fight or get into little squabbles.
Is that yummy? And so that's how we do top section.
Penelope.
They ran off.
All the little ones?
Yeah. Just picking up trash next to some monks. The huge. We got this whole bag. Finding your shoe there, Josh.
I thought it was a thorn, but that is a piece of metal in my shoe. You want me to have a go? Oh. Oh.
So today we're going to walk around filming people doing their different jobs here at the foundation so you guys can get a look to see the variety of work done here on a daily basis.
Every now and then there'll be day trips to different areas around Zanin. So today we're going to be going to a waterfall nearby.
Snappy, Snappy! Get the camera away!
We thought we'd show you some of the cool creatures that we share this space with.
This is a giant African snail. Here's my hand for comparison. That is a big snail. This poor girl's gonna get stuck. Can't fit. Buddy, you can't fit your shell through there. Do you see it? What is it? Oh. You got the bug. This is what we have to worry about. Mosquitoes.
So many bug bites. Oh my goodness. But thankfully they had a mosquito net that I can borrow, so now hopefully I won't get as many.
It's so cute.
Got a beetle in here. Oh, there's a frog right there. Whoa!
Timmy. Timmy.
So the past month has flown by so fast, and sadly it's our last day today here at the VMF.
We'll be really sad to leave. We're going to miss all the people here, all the monkeys, the nature. But we do definitely recommend anyone who's in South Africa to volunteer. Even if you're not in South Africa, come out here and volunteer here, or donate if you can. Do something for these monkeys. It's a wonderful organization, and I definitely support it wholeheartedly.
So right now I'm going to go around and visit all the monkeys that I've gotten to know and say goodbye. So this is Roman, he's a sweetheart, and this is Squeezy. So this is Rocio, yeah, the best monkey at the foundation. Rocio, gonna miss you, girl. This is BB, he's also one of my favorites. So this is Fiona. She's a double amputee, and despite her setbacks, she is quite the spunky monkey, as you can see, and I'm gonna miss her very much.
So this has been our room for the past month. It's kind of messy now because we're packing, but it's really sad to be leaving. I'm definitely gonna miss this place.
This is Dobby. He's the first baby of the season. We're not sure his full story, but he did get separated from his mom, and now he's with us. Soon he'll be introduced to a new foster mom, a new troop, and then he'll live out the rest of his life happily here.
And he's so cute, so here's a bunch of footage.
Here, buddy. Buddy, look up here.